It's tax time, y'all, and a lot of y'all are gonna get a little bag. Please don't blow it on something silly. Stick around. I'm gonna show you how you can turn that tax return, that little bag, into a t-shirt business, all right? Keep watching. Here goes. What's up, guys? Gary Ejene. And as I said before, man, it's tax time. And I know a lot of times, man, a lot of you guys get a nice little lump sum of money, what we call a bag. Not necessarily a bag. I say a little bag, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of you guys, I mean, it's your money. You can do whatever you want to with it. But y'all know a lot of y'all times, y'all blow it on some BS. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, gold chains, leather jackets, rims. Oh, God, I don't even want to say it. Jordans, trips, them debaucherous trips, Essence Fest, what's the name? All-Star Weekend, all these silly ass trips, just debauchery and nonsense. And I'm not saying don't do that. I'm just saying don't blow the whole bag, all right? Have an asset. You know, there was a movie called Baby Boy where he was talking about the guns and the butter, all right? You can blow a little bit on the butter, all right, but you want the guns. And this is all figurative, all right? Don't come to me with the gun control nonsense, all right? So, let me get into some stuff you can do. 10. All right, guys, it's sad that I have to say this, but I know too many people who try to do business on their cell phone. Now, I know that these cell phones are great, and I know that you love them, but guys, you need a computer. You need a real nice computer, not a tablet, not some old thing that your mom throw away that's as slow as damn molasses. You need a real computer, a nice computer to do your designs on. And contrary to popular belief, you don't necessarily need a Mac. You can get a nice PC, one of the lower end Macs, you can get a Surface, but you need a real whole computer with a whole operating system where you can get things like Photoshop and Illustrator on it. So get yourself a computer. 9. The next thing that you can do is you can get some designs. Now, if you have the computer, like I said before, you can get Photoshop and Illustrator. I'm gonna have links in the description box. But if not, if you don't wanna do all of that, I strongly suggest you get an account with something like Design Crowd, where you can go and spend a few dollars and get quality, and I mean high quality designs, all right? So get some designs. 8. Another thing you do is that since you have a computer and you may want to design, you might want to get yourself a nice drawing tablet, okay? There's a Huion one, a Huang one, and there's going to be a link under the description box. Well, actually a card where you can check that out because I did a review, or you can get, there's plenty of them. I'm going to have some links in the description box. So get yourself a drawing tablet if you're going to design. 7. All right, guys, so after you get those designs, you want to get you some custom heat transfers, unless you're gonna get them screen printed, okay? You wanna get custom heat transfers. A company that I like is F&M Expressions. They're gonna have a link in the description box, so check them out. So get yourself some custom heat transfers, all right? Do something good with that money. 6. So if you're gonna have transfers, you're gonna have to have a heat press. So get yourself a nice heat press. Now the Cadillac, the Rolls Royce, the Bugatti of heat presses is the hot Tronics, okay? Especially the swing away joint. There's big sizes, there's smaller sizes. I'm gonna put some links in the description box, or you can just get one of the lower priced, for the beginners, the lower priced ones out of China. They're okay too. There's nothing like the Hot Tronics, but got to do what you have to do. But if you blowing a bag, if you got a bag, you know what I'm saying? You got kids and you got a house and you got all type of head of household and deductions and all that stuff, you might could buy one. So make it happen. 5. Okay guys, so if you're gonna be starting a t-shirt business with your tax refund, you're gonna have to have some blanks. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? T-shirt blanks. I personally recommend Bella Canvas. They are nice, soft, supple, awesome, okay? So get yourself some Bella Canvas t-shirts. There's gonna be a link down in the description box. There's also gonna be a card up there, and it's right here. Go to Bella Canvas and make it happen. They give you the best quality for the best price. All right, that's that. Let's get to the next one. 4. The next one is, since you have some extra money, if you have a name, while you have this extra money, trademark your name so that it's yours, so that you own it, so that you lock it in. So go to uspto.gov. There's going to be a link right there. And also, if you want to have a company do it for you, I suggest these two. You can go to LegalZoom or you can go to incorporate.com. All right. These two will handle everything for you, because what will happen is that if you go to uspto.gov and you don't do something right, you could possibly lose the money that you put in. So go to a professional and get it done right. Or if you think you can handle it, go to uspo.gov. But I'm just putting this out here so to let you know that there's places that you can go to make it happen for you. All right. On to the next one. 3. Okay, guys, and while you have that money, okay, you get that money and burning a hole in your pocket, do something really great, which is legitimize yourself and get an LLC, okay? There's a couple of companies that I like to use. This is one of them. So get your LLC. There's also going to be a link down in the description box. So get your LLC and make it happen, all right? Let's go. 2. Now, I have one right here. If you are a technical person and you really, really know how to do this, all right, I'm going to suggest you take that money and you get yourself some screen printing equipment. But only do this if you are really a hands-on technical person. I used to have a screen printing business and I hated it, all right? So if you really want to do it, take that money and get yourself some screen printing equipment, all right? 1. Now, this one right here, if you really got a bag, or if you want to put a down payment and finance the rest, I suggest that you get a DTG printer, okay? Personally, the Omni Print FreeJet. This is where you're really taking it to a whole nother level, all right? Get yourself a DTG machine. I mean, you throw it on there, you hit print, and bam, you got a t-shirt now. This is for people who are serious and who I think are a little bit more established in their t-shirt business and they're already making sales. So if you really want to take it to a whole nother level, get a DTG. All right, guys, now that I got your juices flowing, let's get into actually getting your tax refund. If you already have a CPA, you already go to somebody, you know what I'm saying, your mom's, cousins, aunties, grandmother does it for you, all right, by all means, make it happen. But if you don't, I'm going to make some suggestions, okay? First one I'm going to suggest is Liberty Tax, all right? Liberty Tax. And the other one I'm going to suggest is eSmart Tax, okay? Make it happen, Captain. The links are going to be down in the description box. You can do it. You can do it all online, electronically, and get your bag back in like a little in no time. All right? So make it happen, Captain. Don't do anything silly with your money, or you can do a little something silly, but do something productive with your money when you get it back in 2019. Times is hard out here, so do something that's gonna last. Anyway, guys, do something good for somebody, and if you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself, like taking that bag and starting a t-shirt business. Until next time, cheers to your t-shirts. Finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. God bless, and I'm out. Did you know the t-shirt business is a $180 billion industry? Each year, over 2 billion t-shirts are sold worldwide. Hi, I'm Gary Ejene, founder of t-shirthelpdesk.com. In the t-shirt business, unlike industries like Hollywood, gaming, apps, real estate, telecommunications, the bar of entry is relatively low, meaning the startup cost is not millions and billions. A t-shirt business is something that you can literally start over a weekend. And why would you want to start a t-shirt business or any type of business these days? Well, one reason is because the job market is not very stable these days. Between artificial intelligence and automation, a lot of jobs are gonna go bye-bye. And they're not gonna simply be outsourced to people in other countries. These jobs are gonna go to computers and robots. So you can't really blame a senator or a congressman or even the president, and you can't blame anybody overseas. This is just what the corporations are going to do. So not only is the job market gonna suck, but it may be hard to hold on to the lousy one you may or may not have now. Or you could love your job, and that one may be on the line soon. So something that you can do is start a side hustle as a little insurance against a very, very uncertain economy. Now, a few years back, I wrote a book that changed lives. Start a t-shirt business or die trying. The ultimate guide to living your dreams and quitting your lousy ass job. Well, guys, I've decided to take the book to a whole nother level. Start a t-shirt business or die trying, the master course. It's detailed, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder instructions. It's like having a personal coach walk you through the entire process. A coach that can not only help you set up a t-shirt business, but help you navigate through a very uncertain economy. And the best way to fight a bad economy is to create an economy for yourself. I'll show you how a t-shirt business can be started from home. I'll show you how to set up your own website. So what are some more things you're gonna learn? How to get affordable, dirt cheap graphic designers. It's in the course. How and where to incorporate, get your LLC. Also, what papers you need to get your wholesale license. And how you can legally sell t-shirts on the streets. It's in the course. Learn where to get free hot models for your photo shoots. Yep, it's in the course. You're gonna learn how to set up your e-commerce site. And if you want to, how to use print on demand. This way you can sell t-shirts at zero cost to you. Once the order comes in, you don't have to buy t-shirts, you don't have to buy packaging, you don't have to mail them out. Everything is done for you. You just get paid. It's in the course. We're gonna teach you how to print, design, and sell t-shirts from the comfort of your very own home. How to market your t-shirt company on social media. How to get followers on social media. How to get your t-shirts in stores, and how to get celebrities to wear your t-shirts. It's in the course. You're gonna learn intellectual property, copyright, trademarks, and the use of celebrity likenesses. Yep, it's in the course. Where to get and how to use fonts, stock photos, and clip art. I'm even going to give you the awesome t-shirt element system. It's tons and tons of stock art and clip art that you can use to make t-shirts. I'll teach you how to research the market so you can find what is a hot niche to sell your t-shirts in case you don't know. I'll even teach you how to advertise your t-shirt business on multiple platforms for pennies a day. It's in the course. I'm even going to throw in my Photoshop and Illustrator tutorials just cause. Yep, that's in the course too. Once again, guys, the t-shirt industry is a $180 billion industry. And why shouldn't you get a cut of some of that money? I'm even going to show you the ways to apply to get funding for your t-shirt business. That's right, money to start your t-shirt business. There's simply no course like this, online or elsewhere. There's never been a course like this for the t-shirt industry or for the clothing industry, period. Start a t-shirt business or die trying, the masterclass, the ultimate guide to living your dreams and quitting your lousy ass job. So look, guys, I'm gonna need you to do me a favor. I'm gonna need you to click the link and go get on the list, because if you get on the list, you'll be grandfathered in at the lower price, because once the course comes out, the price is gonna go way up. So get grandfathered in, go ahead, click, get on that list, make it happen, and I'll see you on the inside. There's nothing like it, guys. Peace.